So here I'm using the watermark removing media.io. So if you want to use this also, you need to sign up first, and after that here you can click on get started free, and you'll lead into this page media.io/studio. You can just wait until the page is fully open. Click on try now. So on the Wondershare media.io, there are lots of AI tools that you can try, including the watermark remover. So if you want to remove the watermark, you can just click on this feature. So this page will be open, and eraser.media.io. So just wait until it's open. So you can drag an image or video here. I'm going to just click on upload and then choose the video. Let's find it, the video. Okay, so this is the video that I want to remove. It's watermark. So this is the watermark that I want to remove. As you guys open or upload the videos or image, there will be this brush. You can adjust the brush size and also deselect. You can just brush it off the watermark that you want to remove. So I'm going to just press this, just like this, and now just click on remove objects now. So just wait until the processing is done. It might take a while, so it depends on the durations of your clips or the size of your image. So after you wait a while, now the video is done and it's already processing successfully. You can just download the result and you can see or preview the results in here. You can see at the bottom there is no watermark now. So that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe also.